Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix request not allowed. Please try again later error on your ChatGPT app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so most likely you are experiencing this error due to your search term. So if your search term contains words that are not accepted or permitted by ChatGPT, then you might experience this. For that, you need to change your wording and see if this problem goes away. However, if the problem still persists, then open a new thread and try to generate your chat. In most cases, this should fix your issue. However, if you still experience the same request not allowed, then we need to troubleshoot ChatGPT app. To do this, you need to go to your smartphone and go to settings and then go to apps. And under apps, look for all apps or manage apps, and this will list all the apps that you have. From this, just search for ChatGPT. Here it is. Now at this point, go to clear data, then clear cache, and OK. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you open your app and go to ChatGPT, now everything should be working and you should be able to generate your chats. But should you still experience this error at this point, then you might want to check and see if you are connected to any VPN. You will need to turn this off before you can generate your chat. But should this still persist, then ChatGPT might have just encountered a server error or a technical error that is usually fixed within minutes. For that, you'll need to come back later on your app and everything should now be okay and running. So that's how you can fix this error on your ChatGPT app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.